Hey, hi, lovely people. Welcome back to our happy place. So, I hope all of you are staying safe and doing well. So, today's video is a super exciting video and it is the balcony makeover part 1. So, come, let's get into the video now. So over here, these are the blank space walls that we have, and we have the door in the middle. So we're going to do the left and the right wall, and this is the area where we're going to decorate with plants and all the other decors. So I found this ladder which was in a scrap shop and just picked it up because we thought that this would be beautiful for our balcony. I'm just going to use this enamel yellow paint, bright yellow, to just give it a beautiful touch. You can use white paint and then go with the colors that you require, but I just didn't have the time, so I just used it like so. I gave it 2 coats to give it a nice rugged finish. We had these tires that were doing nothing, so we just thought we'll upcycle them as beautiful planters for our balcony. Before painting your pots, please make sure to wipe all of the dust and the sand that is on the pot so that you will get a nice clear finish once you paint them. So this was an old metal shoe rack from our parents' home. I gave it a coat of metal primer and wanted to use it as a plant stand in our balcony. So we just picked up a couple of these metal plant hangings to fix onto the wall. Make sure you use every space of your wall to enhance the look. It was time now to fix the ladder. Make sure it is really firm and tight so that you can have your plants hung onto it. And yeah, it was done now. So yes guys, it was time to arrange everything. So I placed this stand over here and gave it a little bit of a camo touch to it. So these are the 2 walls that we are going to do the makeover for. The flooring is yet to be painted, which I'll be sharing in the next video. So we love plants and we love ceramics too. So as you can see, these beautiful ceramic planters are from online as well. We picked up this potting soil from a nearby nursery. And my husband was just adding a little bit of more plants to our addition. So we filled up these 2 little owl planters with spider plants. And it's done. Since we are working on a plastic free kitchen, we just wanted to upcycle these beautiful bowls that we had, which we never wanted to give away. So we just made a couple of holes in them and wanted to use them as hanging planters. I just painted the door frame and gave a little bit of a painting to the wall as well. This was also from our parents' home, which was an old cooking pot that we upcycled for our beautiful light over here. I'm sure you also can try the same. Coming to this one was an old dining table chair that we just upcycled over here to give it a little beautiful look in our balcony. All these small little things do add a lot of beauty to your balcony. You don't have to go in for expensive stuff. Just inexpensive things will add beauty to everything. Adding these little figurines over here. Now placing all of these little plants in the hanging frame. So coming to this wall now, I placed this beautiful orange tire with a plant inside. I gave a bit of holes in the tire so that when the water drains from the plant, it will just drain down. So over here onto the sunshade, we placed 2 hooks and hung up this beautiful lantern that has been with us for ages. Over here on this hook, we tied this DIY planter, the upcycle bowl planter. We did not want to go with the same coastal living colors, so we added a lot of colors to our existing coastal living theme to the balcony as well. So coming to the next side, we hung up this bird cage over here and placed this small little coat. This is from Home Center. So I placed these railing planters over here with money plants and a couple of other plants. So this wall was also almost done, adding a little bit of the coastal living touch too. Coming to this beauty, yes, it is a cup planter, a ceramic one, which my husband upcycled and used it as a light holder. So down below the ladder, onto this corner, we placed this metal planter stand, placed the plants that we wanted to have over here. When you have plants at different levels, it adds all the more beauty to your balcony. So this wall was almost completed. Over here on the step, we placed both the ceramic swans. As I said, we need to do the flooring, which will be in our next video. So yes, I just used these plates. These are also our microwavable plates which we had. And I did not want to buy anything as such, so I just upcycled these. Our plants were almost arranged on this stand. It was just a little more things that we had to add on. So this was a small quick DIY that I did. I upcycled this dishwashing bottle and used it as a planter over here. So this beautiful stand is totally done over here. A little more decors will be added and will be showed in the other videos that we will be sharing soon. So these are the plates that I had which I upcycled. It makes it easier for me as I can just remove the plant and wipe the plate if it's dirty. And since it matches the theme of our home, we just upcycle them. We just love these planters and they are so beautiful. We have these small little spider plants in this bottle. All these are ceramic planters. We are still working more on the balcony, the other areas as well, which will be shown in our upcoming videos. On glorious warm sunny days and relaxing summer evenings, an unloved balcony, no matter its size, is a tragic sight. So if you are also currently using your balconies as a storage space or for old outdoor things, listen up. There are a dozen of great ideas for transforming a neglected outdoor space into an irresistible hangout for relaxing. So yes guys, these were also our old microwavable bowls that we wanted to upcycle, and since it was a circular frame over here, these were apt for the planters. We did not want to have a background wall as such, wherein we wanted just the walls to be white, as we played around with a lot of colors in our balcony. So here are a few ideas and tips that I would like to share with all of you. Pick a bold backdrop. Take advantage of every available surface or space you have. Stay on a color scheme or play around with vibrant colors of your choice. Bring the indoors out. Focus on the little and tiny details. Add all your favorite plants. Do not neglect your walls. Add your favorite furniture and kick your feet up and watch the sunrise and sunset. Organize your greenery with shelves and hanging planters. Top it off with all this beautiful outdoor lighting and make it a cozy balcony as per your dreams. All the videos that we have shared over here are shot on 2 different days, as it was a 2-day project for us to do the makeover. So yes, a lot more areas of our balcony have to be worked on, as we are working on them and will be shortly posting it on our channel. So yes guys, if you are watching our channel for the first time, please do consider subscribing. Do give this video a big thumbs up. Do like, comment and share like you've always done. Please do let me know in the comment section what you think about this transformation that we have given to our balcony. So this was a super quick surprise that my husband gave me. He did this and it was a small DIY that he worked on this morning, and I just had it placed over here, which made it complete. So thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye for now.